In this quick start video, I'm going to demonstrate how to access the CSLO to PSLO mapping Excel sheets, and then I'm going to demonstrate how to complete it. So on the instruction form, on the very bottom, there's instructions on how to access the Excel files. They're all contained in a OneDrive, so if you hold Control and select that link, you will be taken to a OneDrive that has all of the departments listed by division. Find your department. Since I'm public health, I'll open this folder. And here I have 3 Excel sheets, one for each award that we have in public health. What we need to do is open each of these spreadsheets one at a time and complete the mapping. Let's use my certificate as an example. On the first page, there is a short version of the instructions that I'm giving you now. And then if you go to the next tab, you will see all of the required courses in your program along with their CSLOs. Across the top, you have the PSLOs for the program. What I need to do is look at each of the CSLOs and evaluate and assess whether or not that CSLO supports the development of a PSLO. If it does, what I need to do is fill in this form with the drop-down. Does this CSLO introduce the PSLO concepts? Does it allow the student to practice? Or does it develop the PSLO to the level that you would expect for your program? So just for example, let's just say that one's practiced. You can map a CSLO to more than one PSLO if you find that's appropriate. So now I need to go to the next CSLO, look at the PSLOs, and decide if the CSLO supports the PSLO. And then once again, introduced, practiced, or developed. So I repeat this for each of the CSLOs for the required courses in the program. And then once that's completed, simply close the file and go to the next award. Because it's on OneDrive, it auto-saves, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Once you have mapped all of your CSLOs to your PSLOs for all programs, you'll need to go back into Solutions, go to Program Review, Midterm Program Review, and under Ensure Learning, you'll find that there's a drop-down for you to indicate that you have completed your PSLO mapping. PSLO assessment mapping completed, just indicate yes and save. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.